Hello there. A lot of people think programming is very hard. Well, that's kinda true, but not in the way you think. You don't require intense brain power and math skills. Heck, I'm not that smart either. All you need to do is spend some time. You don't need to memorize anything. I never do it. It just comes on its own. Only thing you need to memorize is the basics, and I am here to teach you. And if you didn't come here for that, then I don't know why you are here. We will learn Lua. It is used by Roblox Studio, so fire it up if you have it. So to start scripting, we of course need a script. To get a script, hover over the Server Script Service tab, press the plus sign and type in script, then select script. This script will work everywhere, but I advise you to use the Server Script Service tab. Now when you make it, it will automatically open up and you will see a print saying "Hello World." You can delete it by pressing Ctrl+A and then Del or backspace. To make your own print, you need to type print, then some parenthesis. Inside you can type whatever. Because I want to print text, I will use quotation marks, because they represent strings, aka text. Inside you can say whatever. I'll say hello there. Make sure it is written like this because it is case sensitive. I remember I tried to teach some Lua and they put random uppercase letter everywhere. So remember that code is case sensitive. Now let's test it. You need the output open. So go to View and click Output. Now check the output. As you can see, there is text saying hello there, as I told it to do that before. Here's an example of how wrong code looks like. Make sure to look out for deprecated code. To find it, just search for red underlines. It means that the code doesn't work and is written wrong. The example I just wrote is correct, but I don't advise using it. Also, the great text I'm writing is called comments. You can write anything in them. Next thing we're gonna learn is variables. To write a variable, you type local, then the name of the variable, equals and the value. How variables work is basically code cleaning. You are not forced to use them, but it makes your code extremely clean, and all professional programmers across programming languages use them. Their main functionality is that you can set the variable and use it anywhere in the script using its reference name. I will show you using more prints. As you can see, it says the same as I said the variables. It's hard to explain, but most of the time it's used for fast directory changing. Instead of going over every part where you reference the directory and changing it, here you can change one variable and the entire script works around it. Again, do not change the case of the variable name. The script does not understand it. If you don't get it, then try to play around with it to find out how it works. Now let's go a little bit deeper by going into changing properties of objects. It is quite simple. You need to find the part that you want to change the property of and find the path to it. To get it, you first say game. The game refers to the entire game, aka your Explorer tab. Now you place down a dot and now select the folder you want to use. In this case I'll use workspace. So I use game.workspace. Next up we get the child we want to change the properties of. In this case the baseplate. The same as the workspace, I do game.workspace.baseplate. And remember, this is case sensitive and the script doesn't get it when you change its case. Now let's change the color. Go into the properties of it and find the brick color. As you can see, it is this color. But I do not like it. I also want it to do by script. So I add .brick color to the end. This is hard to figure out, so you have to just remember this. Type brick color.new then parenthesis and inside type the color name in quotation marks. Let's test it. As you can see, it works. If you don't get it, try to do other things like unanchoring it by doing baseplate.anchored equals false. Or change if it can collide, etc. This is just the basics, meaning I will not teach you everything this language has to offer, so you need to learn on your own. Your best friend is Google. For example, let's try to destroy the baseplate. As you can see, it is deprecated and I don't know how to destroy it. I Google what I want to know and then add Roblox scripting. You can go across forums or articles about what you want to learn. Now as you can see, it tells me I need to use :destroy. Let's try it. As you can see, it worked. So next time you want to know how to do something, Google it and read articles about it. I recently used Google to learn how to use viewport frames. You can also use the Roblox Discord server and ask people in the #developer help channel. They can help you with bugs, errors and lead you to what you are looking for. That's all for today. Was this introduction useful for you? Hopefully it did. Anyways, I will go now. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.